Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, kung bago kayo dito, I am Eugene and
Arnel.
and we are your Pinoy Heroes. So, currently we are here in Korea and we are going to show you one of the biggest outlet factory here in Seoul. So, if you have any suggestions kung saan kami pwedeng pumunta aside dito, please comment down below. But for now, we will be touring you to the Gasan Industrial
Digital
Gasan
Digital Complex.
Yes, that's it. So, according sa research namin, they have Nike outlet stores with 50 to 70% off. So, hopefully, may mahanap kami at ako ay hinihingal na sa sobrang excited.
And tingnan niyo guys yung sa likod, Maple Leaf.
Maple Leaf, guys. Welcome to Canada.
Yeah.
So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. Bye! So dito pa lang sa labas ng mall, marami na silang outlet products like Guess. They have the North Face, and we're also planning to buy one trench coat for OOTD para sa temple visit namin. But we'll see. So the socks, we don't need it.
Here, 70% off. That's for
I'm not sure kung pwede mag-vlog dito, but here. Look at it's 30% to 50% off. Meron ding 70% off. Everything you see here is discounted. I think we need to go. Mali yung napasukan natin. Doon tayo sa kabila. This is Lottie.
why? This is part of it.
No. This is Lottie. But our main goal is to Gasan.
I think that
Diyan talaga yung ano namin, yung goal. The Mario Mall, one of the biggest outlet store here in Korea. Yan. And ang sobrang ginaw na ulit. Ang ginaw-ginaw. Now look at all those brands. New Balance, Guess. Meron ding Uniqlo. Jeju. You know the Jeju Island? It's Jeju. Yan. Dito sa labas mismo marami din nagtitinda. But dito tayo papasok kasi yung Starbucks. We also have McDonald's inside. Flying Tiger. Hopefully, nandito yung hinahanap namin.
Nike factory.
So, lumipat kami from Mario Mall dito sa W Mall. It's the Nike outlet store up to 70% off. Hopefully may makakita kami. Gamit ko.
So guys, ito, maraming mura. May mga 41,000 won, which is like around less than 2,000. Ayan. Ito. Oh, from 139,000, 70% off. 41,000 na lang.
So guys,
Won.
this is the biggest Nike outlet store here in Korea. So,
Nasa W Mall.
it is very worth it. Tagal mag-reply ng pamangkin ko. Tagal mag-reply ng pamangkin ko.
So on this side, meron din mga 44,000 only. Ayan. Okay, so kayo na lang mag-convert to Philippine peso. Kasi yung 50,000 is around 2,300. 2,300 ang 50,000. Ayan. So kayo na lang bahala mag-convert. Yung 2
Iban bida sa may So guys, nandito ako ngayon sa loob ng Nike outlet store dito sa Korea. Ito, I got this one in size 8 for my niece.
gusto niya daw dito. So, original price is 50,000 won. It's 50% off. Right now, it's 20,000. Not allowed. Store, no.
Guys, nagbabayad na siya kasi marami siyang pera.
고객님, 저희 촬영하시면 안 돼요.
So hey guys, so kagagaling na namin sa Adidas outlet store. We bought 4 shoes, 3 pairs of shoes, and 6,000 pesos lang. I think yung bill namin is more than 10,000 pesos, no? Or more than. So it's an outlet store here at W Mall. You must visit it. Unfortunately, we cannot film inside, but we will give you a haul later so that you will see how much the price difference ng each shoes. We also bought one from Nike outlet store here as well. Same lang sila. So basta later we will do a haul. So that's it.
Uwi na kami.
Uwi na kami, nagutom na kami, and magse-celebrate pa kami ng birthday ni Arnel.
Yay, thank you
Bye.
for the gift niya sa akin. Thank you.
It's final sale.
Hey guys, so as promised, ito na yung haul ng mga items namin na pinabili yesterday sa mga outlet stores. So maybe you're asking where is Arnel? So Arnel is sleeping beside me. May hangover pa siya sa birthday niya. Say hi to the vlog. Okay. So yun nga, yesterday after our Nami trip, we went directly to Gazan. Gazan is a place here in Korea kung saan maraming outlet stores. Number 1 is yung Lotte Outlet Mall. Lotte's Outlet Mall is more on fashion side siya ng mga female. So in short, pang clothes, more on clothes siya na outlet store. So lahat ng mga high-end brands ng clothes ay nandun. Tapos, after Lotte, parang hindi namin bet, lumipat kami sa katabi niyang mall which is yung Mario Mall. Mario Mall is marami din siyang clothes, and this mall also caters ng mga outlet stores like Nike, outlet products like shoes na Nike, Adidas, lahat, name it, meron sila. Kaso, dito sa Mario Mall, yung mga shoes nila is very limited lang. Unfortunately, hindi kami nakakuha ng video kahit konti kasi nga na-overexcite kami. So, but, parang hindi ko talaga feel. So, I ask yung sales attendant nila doon kung saan pa merong Nike outlet store. So, she advised me na gusto namin pumunta kami ng W Mall. Medyo mahirap pang makipag-communicate pala sa kanila kasi not all Koreans understand English. So we searched where is W Mall. Nasa likod lang pala siya ng Mario Mall. So, doon talaga yung parang outlet store ng Nike. Sa outlet store ng Nike, it was very nice. Lahat ng shoes ay mura. Nakikita nyo naman sa video namin, sa start ng video na to, is kung gaano kamura yung shoes doon. But, kami ni Arnel, we are not a Nike person. Though we love Nike, pero we prefer Adidas. So, yung nabili lang namin sa Nike outlet store, doon sa W Mall is yung pasalubong namin sa pamangkin kong babae. Actually, hindi siya shoes, sandal. Ito yung box niya. I don't know kung anong tawag dito, but I saw some YouTubers as well. Actually, nung una ko nakita, naalala ko agad yung trip nila Ray, yung anak ni Sir Chief, nung pumunta sila sa Japan. I think they bought one, or I'm not sure. Basta, I don't know kung anong tawag sa sandal ng Nike na to, but ito siya. Ito. Yan. This is in color white and cream. So, I took a picture ng iba of different color na to, but yung nagustuhan ng pamangkin ko is yung white color. Ito. Yan. This is is very cute. This is in size 8. Yan yung size ng paa niya. So, actually, malinis siya tignan. And, ito lang siya. So, we got, original price niya is 29,600 won. But, it was on sale for 22,000 Korean won. Tama ba? And, kung convert siya sa peso, it's only 1,313.56. Ito siya. So, guys, if you're watching, this is it. Yan. So, actually, this is, I promised my niece and nephew, if they study hard, we will buy them shoes here in Korea. And Miles is, was awarded with honors last week sa school nila. So, congratulations, Miles. Keep study hard. I know it's your dream to become a flight attendant. So, just study. Next is yung pamangkin kong lalaki. So, yung pamangkin kong lalaki, dito talaga ako na-challenge sa kanya. Okay, by the way, so after namin sa Nike store, hindi pala pwede mag-video doon. Kaya, as you can see sa video namin sa start ng video na to is puros potol. Kasi nga, sinisita kami. Anyways, so, after naman ng Nike, we really don't know na meron pala doon na Adidas store na outlet din. Pero, libot-libot kami. Nung gusto na naming umuwi, nakita ko sa taas, wait, I saw a sign na may Adidas outlet. So, I told Arnel, we need to go up pa. One last na, and dun, boom, it was magic. Nakita ko nakakita ko ng light. So, pumasok kami doon, and then, everything was on sale, as in, literal on sale. But, I'm sorry guys, hindi pwede mag-video doon. So, ito na siya. I got the shoes sa aking pamangkin, which is dito talaga kami na-challenge kasi I sent him siguro more than 50 pictures of shoes kung anong gusto niya. And wala talaga. Until the last picture that I sent him, ito yon. So, actually, I also like the shoes. Kung ayaw niya, ito sana yung bibilin ko for myself. Kaso, sabi niya, wait, gusto ko niyan. Yung last picture na nasend ko. Tapos, this is in color purple. Yung parang pastel color. Tapos, yung stripe na Adidas niya is color green. Ito yung box niya. It's just in a blue box with Adidas logo. And then, charan! This is it. Diba? Very cute. Very pang-forma talaga siya. Shorts, tapos white shirt, and then you're okay. Diba? Ito daw gusto niya kasi parang hindi niya pa to nakita sa Philippines. I'm not sure. But ito siya. 59,500 won. But we got this for 47,600. Ito. So 47,600 Korean won. It was on sale. So kinuha agad na namin. And then wala na, binili na lang namin. So very nice, right? Very cool, very neat. Shorts at white shirt, okay ka na. So this is it. For myself. This is also in Adidas. This is in size 8.5 US size. Same size lang kami ni Arlen. And I'm so happy kasi yung may kasama siyang dust bag. Ito, 'di ba? Pwede siya pang jean and everything. The price of these shoes is 174,300 Korean won, but I got this for only 59,700 pesos. No, not pesos. Korean won. So this is in black, or I don't know, black gray color. And I like the orange na para siyang may sack feel. Diba? Yan. So, ito yung akin. There. So, it was on sale. And then, yung next shoe na nakuha namin is this one. This is, kay Arnel to. So, ang nagustuhan ko, pinili ko talaga siya, ito yung kunin niya kasi yung design ng shoes na to is very classic, very vintage, and parang ang linis na tingnan. So, pinili ko siyang binili nito para mahiram ko. Kasi same size lang naman kami, 8.5 US size. Ito. It's a white Adidas. I don't know ano tawag dito. With blue and red stripes. Diba? Ang cool, ang linis mong tingnan. Shorts at saka kahit anong top mo, pwede na to kasi magmukha ka ng malinis sa outfit mo. And we got this for, I think the original price of this shoes is 36,400 won, but we only got this for only 19,500 Korean won. Yon. Diba? Ang linis tingnan. So, this is Arnel's shoes. So, here's the catch, guys. If you reach a certain amount dito sa Korea, sa Adidas outlet store, they will give you additional 20% discount, which is nagulat ako sa counter. So, all in all, the total of these shoes is 143,700 Korean won. Diba? Kasi may 20% discount pa kami. Kayo na bahala sa math. Kayo na mag-convert. So, yun. So that's it for today's vlog. Hope you like it. Again, guys, this is not the brag. I just want to show you what we got in the outlet stores dito sa Korea. So please like and subscribe this video. If you happen to go to Korea and you wanted to buy shoes, go to Gazan. As in, malulula kayo sa dami ng shoes doon na mura. So thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye!